As a Christian woman, I appreciated the culture in this moment. I have never been to a cooking class where they dress you in the traditional garments. So basically, they start off with one piece of scarf, and then they started off with another piece of scarf as well. So once they make sure that that's correctly, then next they're going to put on the head covering. The head covering is called a hijab. So exactly how she's putting it on right there. She's going to do the same way to me as she has it over her as well. And so this is done before we go to the market. And I think the purpose is because when we're out in the community, we're representing them and they want us to be, covered like they are covered. So I definitely appreciate it. I have never worn a hijab or worn any kind of traditional clothing to where I look like a Muslim. So I must say that it is a little hot with all these clothes on. But they did give us a fan as we were in the market. And the cool thing is that they actually gave us a scarf as like a souvenir gift. So I was able to take the scarf and utilize it as well. So such a cool experience if you've never experienced this before. So here's the finished product. Yay. I definitely look like a Muslim woman.
But if it's too much water, that is young, still young. So we need to dry the coconut, we need the less water. Okay? So let's come here and choose. Ngapi tatu? Nne? Tano. Okay, because this is a Islamic religion, they just have Iman inside of their heart. Okay, I think after you will take it, you will bring back my money. It's okay, you can take it.
Of a kilo of tomato.
Yeah.
And this is where you weigh it at.
So this measure.
Yes.
Yes.
Our purchases, tomatoes, lime, garlic, pepper, eggplant.
Yes, and they want this one. What is this? This is mango, it's green mango. Okay.
Tusikujue mtu apotelewe na chake.
Small one.
Tukujue tu.
Too sour. We use this for boiling fish and sauce. And we have this. Kwani sio kama carrot hizi?
Simulizie mwenyewe kwa wanastarehe.
So you know this? It's coconut. This is peanut. And this one is bao. Yes. Kitumbua. It's rice flour, coconut, cardamom. Yes, it's bread. It's kind of the bread. We use it in Zanzibar for breakfast also. So it's bread, flour, coconut, and sugar. You see? Oh, coffee. Which one?
I'll try tea.
It's okay if you take all of this.
Just
Yes.
tea.
And yeah. Kitumbua.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
I didn't want to taste. So we're tasting this right here. Our sugar. Well, sugar and
Sugar. What is purple? Shade is sugar with color, cardamom and black pepper.
okay, sugar, food coloring, black pepper, cardamom. It looks pretty good. But you cannot swallow the seeds, though. Don't swallow the seeds.
I still today I'm using this. I like this one.
You like this
because
one?
I feel like I sneak up.
Yeah. So this one is, what's the name of it?
Kashada.
Kashada. So to me, this reminds me of a Snicker. If y'all can see the peanuts, cardamom, sugar,
And the color also.
and the color too. Yes. So, but this is all natural. But the one in the store, Snickers, they have so many ingredients. Probably that's not good for you. So This will be the natural version of a Snickers. If you like it, then you gotta try this one out. The one coconut and sugar and food coloring. So like you can really taste the sugar, maybe not that much of the coconut. But yeah, this is also one of their snacks as well. Okay, we are getting the insides of the coconut. This thing you sit on, and then these are actually very sharp edges right here, so it takes out this. We're gonna do the coconut milk. Very innovative to be able to sit down and then have like a knife almost here. Coconut mixed with water. That's what we just did, and then you strain it for the coconut milk. Right, and strain it and coconut milk.
First coconut milk.
So this is the coconut, and you have to
Squeeze.
use the coconut and you just squeeze like that. For sitting down, so you can sit down in between it, or you can sit down sideways. But here is the knife hitting in there. It looks so pretty until you discover this, a knife in between for. So chapatis from India, but they have incorporated your own way of
Cooking, yes. As you know, that Zanzibar is mixing with the different. Have some butter, siagi, samli. This one you have butter, so yes.
Where do you make your butter from? How do you make the butter?
Butter, they just make for the milk, the cow. I think cow, yes.
Oil.
So after just mixing it, everything's
What you're doing, we call it kneading. We're still making chapati.
yes.
So you roll it. We're gonna roll our chapati.
Just with it.
Ruben, why is yours? Oh, I didn't flatten mine. Cutting green peppers, y'all. This knife is, I need a knife like this at home. This cuts it very, very well. Peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, all cuts. Beans, which I love beans, so to finish off cooking the rice, you use the cold from here. And it's still like so how long do you leave it like that?
We just do living after. We just put even the 10 minutes, it's depending yourself because that is the oven. That is this first. And this is product from here. And the clothes. And this is everything of the pilau, yes, masala.
Now all of that's going to go into
Uko wazi nakuja. Sikiliza, kuweka hapa.
coconut rice.
This rice. This is the beans. Beans.
With the coconut.
Cassava. Coconut. Sauce. Coconut.
Potatoes, tomatoes.
Tomato. Okra. Yes, not tomato. Turmeric. Turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. Spinach.
Rice flour.
This is maize. Maize flour.
Okay.
And there is cassava flour. Yes. So this is maize flour. We call it sembe. Sembe. Ugali. Sembe.
But then you also said fufu.
Yes, fufu.
The
Yes.
fufu in Ghana,
Yes,
you know.
in Ghana, Nigeria, they call it fufu.
Yeah, but I think it's different. The coconut, the halal rice, the fufu, cassava, plantain, red beans, salad, spinach, soup with fish. Oh no, soup with vegetables.
Yes.
And then fish. So yeah, this is all of our food. And our chapati. And our food. Rice. This is a version of the fufu. Going to taste like grits to me. And then we have runny fish.
Ukifanya upuuzi wewe, sasa tunakula roho.
With your hand. I still need a liquid one ready. Talking about the different spices and how they can help you. Okay, so let's start off with the cloves.
No, you know that. Sorry, a little bit. Sorry.
Okay, so the cloves help with headache
You start lemongrass.
and lemongrass.
Yes, and lemongrass and ginger. We just putting the frozen tea, and then we eat. It's just for headache, for the pain, the stomach. Yes, I just remember that. If you are not well, to do tired with the work and everything, swelling, then that spices tea. That we put everything, ginger, we put some lemongrass, we put some cinnamon, cloves, that making you to feel the everything that you're tired in, tiredness and everything. So that is, yes.
And this is why I love Africa. Because we're very rich in resources, natural resources. We don't have to go to the store. We can go to the trees and get everything, which is back at home. We go to the store for everything. We don't go.
We just say, okay, let me do this and this. I'm going to
Mboga inataka tungule.
These are our Mamas of Zanzibar. The coal for the fire.
Ukifanya masiara utakuja kwa.
Mama.